Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we'll work on SQL question 47, comparing the average salary of each department to the company average salary. We'll use the employees table as well with the following columns. Employee ID, the primary key. Name, employee name. Salary, employee salary. Department ID, ID of the department where the employee works. Our goal is to compare the average salary of each department against the overall company average salary. And finally, we want to display department ID, comparison whether the department's salary is higher, lower, or same compared to company average. Difference how much higher or lower the department average is. The sample of the output should look like this. Now let's see the solutions in SQL Server Management Studio. Solution 1. Using subqueries. In this query, we can directly calculate this using aggregate functions and a subquery. We group by department and calculate AVG, salary. For comparison, we use a subquery that calculates the company average. We use a case statement to decide if it's higher, lower, or same. The difference is simply the department average minus the company average. Execute the query and we can get the result of all 7 departments. This solution is simple and effective, but notice we are repeating the subquery multiple times. Solution 2. Using SQL Variables plus CTE. To avoid recalculating the company average multiple times, we can store it in a variable in this solution. We declare a variable at company average to hold the company's average salary. Then, inside the CTE, we calculate each department's average salary using a window function average over. Finally, we compare the department average with the variable and compute the difference. Execute the query and we can get the same result. This approach avoids repeating the subquery and can be more efficient. Solution 3. Using subquery plus cross-join. Another way is to calculate both averages separately and then join them. The first subquery D calculates the average salary per department. The second subquery C calculates the company average. Then we use a cross-join to combine them so every department row can be compared with the company average. This approach is neat because it clearly separates department-level and company-level calculations. To wrap up, in this question we learned how to compare departmental averages with the overall company average. 3 different SQL approaches. Subqueries, CTE with variables, and cross-join. All 3 solutions give the same result, but depending on readability and performance, you might prefer one over the others. That's it for question 47. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.